Ever feel like your sewing projects are piling up or your fabric stash is getting out of control? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple system to organize your projects and fabric so you can plan, track, and actually finish everything you start. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ashley, and welcome to DIY with Ashley, where I share sewing tutorials, crafts, and practical projects that help you stay organized and make everyday life a little easier. So if you enjoy sewing, crafting, and practical projects, you can subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. In today's video, we're going to walk through two amazing tools I've created just for sewists, the Sewing Queue Tracker and the Fabric Tracker. These trackers will help you see exactly what projects you have, what fabrics you own, and make planning your next project a breeze. Let's start with the Sewing Queue Tracker. Here you can list all your sewing projects in one place. I've organized it so you can note the project name, the pattern, the fabric, and any other important information such as pattern notes and alterations that need to be made, as well as the current status of the project, such as planning, cutting, or sewing. One tip when using this tracker, you can color code your projects based on priority or difficulty. That way, at a glance, you can see which projects to focus on first. Using this tracker keeps you from starting too many projects at once and helps you avoid the dreaded unfinished pile in your sewing room. Next is the Fabric Tracker. This one is a game changer for anyone with a growing stash. You can log each piece of fabric you own, including details like fabric type, yardage, pattern, and color. I also like to add the project I'm planning to use it for so nothing goes unused or I don't forget what I originally bought it for. If you've watched my previous tutorial on how I organize my fabric stash, you know that I store all of my fabric on a shelf so I could see what I have. But I know not everyone has that option. Even if your fabric is tucked away in a drawer or a closet, this tracker still works perfectly. You can keep a record of everything without having to see it all the time. And if you saw that video I previously referenced, you know that I also make fabric tags to label and organize each piece. Using the tags together with the tracker makes it super easy to find exactly what you need for your next project. I've linked that video in the corner here and in the description box below if you want to check it out. It shows my full method for folding and storing your fabric. A quick pro tip: take a small photo of each fabric or cut a swatch and attach it to your tracker. That way, when you're planning a new project, you can see your options visually without digging through your stash. The Fabric Tracker works hand in hand with your sewing queue. Once you assign a fabric to a project, you can mark it in your tracker so you always know what's available and what's already in use. By using these two trackers together, you'll finally be able to plan, prioritize, and complete projects without the stress of forgetting materials or losing track of your progress. I promise, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever sewed without them. If you want to get your hands on these trackers, they're available for free over at my coffee store, which will be linked in the description box below. If you find these trackers helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials and click the bell so you never miss a video. What's the first project you're going to organize with these trackers? I'd love to hear, so be sure to leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, happy sewing!